'Cause you make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel like a natural woman. Yo, you make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel like a natural woman. Ooh, baby, I miss you. I love you so much. Daddy, call me, please. I'll bring you some flaming hot Cheetos. I miss you.
Yeah, so you do know I'm with Candy now, right?
Yeah, I see her on Facebook. You know that girl is far from 100% organic.
Hey, look, don't be hating on my shorty. You know she real and she nice.
She's had some nice work done. Women have to hold back time's cruelty. Your cruelty. You remember? You remember when you turned it all on me?
Ooh, Hey, look, Candy got poison ivy last week when we went to California Adventure. Now, look, I ain't pointing no fingers at nobody, but did you have anything to do with that?
Oh, okay. I see how it is. It was the plant, blame Mother Nature.
I mean, you know what? Actually, forget I said anything.
You never took me to Disneyland. You always used to say it was childish and a place where you could have time stand still. Oh my God. You love her. That's why you're stopping time.
Yeah, so you do know it's 3 o'clock on the... Actually, you know what? I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
You remember when I used to stop time for you? All I ever wanted was for you to love me as I aged gracefully. But no, you didn't have time.
Hey, look. Stay there. Stay put. I'm on my way over there. Hey, and now that I think about it, do not start another pandemic. You know what happened last year when you did that shit? Everybody's still in the house now complaining and calling me and telling me when they're going to be able to get out. I don't know. The CDC don't even know. How they think I'm going to know? Shit. Now stay over there. I'm on the way. Yeah, that's how it happened. My crazy ass ex-girlfriend. Crazy bitch.